Hey, you got Andrew Gritzbaugh here. I'm at the Gerber booth, 2017 SHOT Show. I'm going to walk you guys through a couple of our new product introductions. Here's our new big flagship introduction. This is called the Center Drive. And this has been a long time coming, and this is a new, very innovative, and I don't say that word lightly, multi-tool for the broader civilian marketplace. And Gerber, leading direct supplier of knives and tools to the military. Our MP600 was standard issue for like 5 or 6 years. So we're taking that time-tested innovation and bringing it forward into a new product. So you got 3 primary kind of features here that really set this thing apart. The first is a one thumb. That's right, not one hand, but a one thumb opening jaw. That's spring-loaded. You can use this entire tool with just one hand. Look at how easy that is. Simple, like butter. It's also got that signature one-hand flick, which you know and love from Gerber. You got to issue one of these when you're downrange, like a 600 or something. So that's your first one, the one-hand opening jaws, okay? Your second is the blade. And this is a real full-size knife blade. It's got a liner lock down here on the bottom of the tool, so you're going to be able to use this securely under duress. It's got a full fine edge, which you can get sharp real easy. It's a 420 high carbon steel, American steel blade. And you can see it's got a big thumb lift here. So, again, I'm one-handed. I got one hand on a ladder, one hand on my rifle, one hand holding a paint bucket, whatever it might be. I could open and close this simply and easily with one hand, right? Super simple. And the last feature here is why it's called the Center Drive. And this is the first multi-tool with a full-size center axis standard bit driver. Now you're like, oh, duh. Multi-tool has a screwdriver. Try using a screwdriver. Follow me up here. Try using a screwdriver on something like an industrial light socket. You're not going to get your little tool in there. It's going to paddle around all awkwardly. It won't fit, right? You may not even have the right bits, especially if you're on the job site and doing something specific. So the Center Drive kind of answers that need, both by using a standardized bit, which you can find and replace with whatever you're using, but also that center axis. So when you're using this, it turns like a real screwdriver, right?
Not flopping side to side.
You've got a little thumb rest here, so when you're doing, a lot of pressing down on screws that have been kind of like torn up or they've lost their traction, you can get into it. And just like the knife blade, it's got a liner lock here, so it's not going to move on you when you're using it. So you push that in, put it back in there, and there you go. So that's the Gerber Center Drive, made in the USA, Portland, Oregon, USA, where we're making all of our American-made products. We're about 40% American made today. We're actually 24/7 USA manufacturing right now. Can't keep up with demand. Doing very, very well. So this is an awesome new product. It's shipping now. It's been in market since about the middle of November. You can find it at any of your major retailers. You'll find it at all of your favorite specialty retailers come spring. And it's going to be about 90 bucks. It also comes with a sheath and a bit set. If you can hand me that sheath over there, I'll give you a walk through here. So there's your sheath. It's a very durable nylon sheath. It's going to have a little special sleeve here for your bit set, which comes with one of the 2 models. And what's neat about this little guy here is on the back, you can carry this vertical like a standard belt, or you can actually put it on your tactical belt sideways, which is becoming a very ergonomic in-trend way to carry this. It doesn't get in the way of your pack or anything like that. So there you have it. #1 new introduction of the year, Gerber Center Drive. You'll see this everywhere if you haven't already.